Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing the recipe for very healthy, delicious, soft and spongy surprise apple cake with Roblox theme frosting that I made for my son's birthday. So I'm going to reveal the surprise of this cake at the end of the video, and if you want to know the surprise, please watch the video till the end. And by the way, this cake is eggless, butterless, whole wheat apple cake with cream cheese frosting. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing our channel for more healthy recipes. Now let's get into the recipe. To start with our recipe, take 2 apples and peel the apples. Once the apples are peeled, grate the apples like this. Here you can see I left this center part of this apple and I'm going to trash this. Here after grating 2 apples, I collected 1 and 3/4 cups of grated apple. Now with the same measuring cup, measure 1 cup of sugar. Here I am using this organic raw sugar, and this organic raw brown sugar is not processed with chemicals. So now transfer this grated apple to a saucepan and add this measured sugar also and allow them to cook on low to medium flame. Keep stirring continuously so that it is not burnt from the bottom. After a minute, all the brown sugar melted and it became liquidy. So now allow this to cook until all the liquid evaporates and it becomes a thick apple sauce. Here you can see thick apple sauce is formed. So now switch off the flame and allow this to cool. Now measure 2 cups of whole wheat flour and transfer to a sieve. Now to this whole wheat flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. A pinch of salt. Now sieve all the dry ingredients into the mixing bowl. This sieving helps in creating aeration in the flour, so this sieving is mandatory. Now after sieving all the dry ingredients, take another mixing bowl. Now transfer this apple sauce into the mixing bowl. Now to this apple sauce, I measured half cup of oil and I am adding this oil to this apple sauce. Now give it a good mix so that this oil combines well with the apple sauce. Now here I have 1 and 3/4 cups of warm milk. So add this warm milk gradually and mix along with the apple sauce. Here I added just half of the milk and half of the milk is still remaining. Now after mixing this milk with the apple sauce, now take a sieve and sieve the dry ingredients again into this apple sauce and milk. This sieving helps in creating aeration. As we are preparing eggless whole wheat cake, this sieving helps in creating aeration and also it makes the cake soft and spongy. So here I am sieving twice to create a soft cake. After sieving the dry ingredients into liquid ingredients, now give it a good mix and add milk gradually. This gradual adding of milk helps in knowing the correct consistency of the batter. So always add warm milk gradually. I always prefer baking cakes at home for any occasion because I substitute all the refined ingredients with organic, unprocessed and unrefined ingredients to make it more healthy for kids. And also when we bake at home, we know what we are adding and how much we are adding according to our requirements. Once the batter is mixed well, here I have this lemon and I'm going to grate the lemon just into this batter. Just grate the lemon just and not the rind, because the white part of the rind will give a bitter taste. So avoid grating the white part of the rind. Here you can see I just grated the yellow part and I collected around half a teaspoon of the lemon zest and added to this batter. After adding, give it a good mix and squeeze half of the lemon juice into this batter and again give it a good mix so that this lemon juice combines well with the batter. Once the batter is mixed well, now transfer this batter to a baking tray that is lined with parchment paper. After transferring the batter, spread it evenly because we used whole wheat flour. This batter will be little thick than the regular batter. Now tap the cake tin 2 to 3 times to avoid air bubbles. Transfer to the oven preheated at 180 degrees and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Here after 25 minutes our cake is well baked. So now take out of the oven and allow this to cool. The baking time may differ from oven to oven because of the oven to oven temperature differences. After the cake is completely cool, run a knife along the edges of the cake tin and transfer it to the cooling rack and allow this to cool again for more 5 minutes. Now remove the parchment paper as shown in the video and allow this to cool. And while the cake is being cooled, let's prepare frosting. To make frosting, here I took half cup of butter, and this butter has to be at room temperature. Now measure the same quantity, that is half cup of cream cheese. I prefer Philadelphia cream cheese. You may use any brand that is available to you. Now beat both the butter and cream cheese with a hand blender. Continue to blend both the butter and cream cheese until they become pale and frothy. Once the butter and cream cheese become frothy, now transfer 1 cup of confectioner's sugar to a sieve and sieve the sugar to this butter and cream cheese. This sieving helps in breaking the lumps of the confectioner's sugar and creates aeration. Here you can see there are many lumps. Now break all the lumps and sieve the confectioner's sugar. Now after sieving, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and give it a mix with a spatula, so that when we blend with the electric mixer, the confectioner's sugar will not be spread all over. Now blend this with the electric mixer. Here, after beating for 2 to 3 minutes, our butter cream cheese frosting is ready. Now scrape all the sides and keep it aside. By this time, our cake is also completely cooled, so transfer to the cake stand. Now here I have this medium sized bowl. So I'm measuring the size of the bowl and cutting the center. As I already said that I'm making a surprise cake, so I made a hole in the center, and let's see what I'm going to do. So here I already kept some surprise inside the cake and sealed it, and then started frosting the cake with Among Us theme. I didn't take the video because I just want to make it a surprise for my son. So if I make a video, and he will definitely know what I kept the surprise inside, so I just wanted to avoid that. Here I used a small star nozzle and piped the cream cheese frosting in the shape of Among Us avatar character as he wanted for his birthday theme. With this, our healthy, delicious, soft and spongy surprise apple cake with Roblox theme and frosting is completed. Now he's cutting the cake and see what the surprise is inside. Here you can see this is a surprise that I kept, and he loves the Skittles. So I kept the Skittles inside the cake when I made the hole with the bowl. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.